नाम बताओ अपना।
अनुज रैन,
क्लास कौन सा है?
4th,
स्कूल का नाम?
आरपीएम अकेडमी।
बताओ रिवील मीन्स क्या होता है?
शो,
और पील मीन्स क्या होता है?
रिमूव द स्किन।
और समटस
डिलीशियस,
फ्लेवर क्या होता है?
टेस्ट एंड स्मेल ऑफ फूड।
सडर्ड क्या होता है?
ट्रेम्बल्ड विथ फियर,
वेफ्टेड मीन्स?
पास जेंटली थ्रू द एयर।
व्हाट डिड मदर आस्क द फैमिली व्हेन दे कम डाउनस्टेयर्स?
The family asked the mother that they knew what are chips. Then we make chips for the soldiers because the soldiers has told to the mother that they want the chips and then give a sack of full big potatoes for hand of mother, and that also said that they would come on 12 noon for lunch.
Very good. Why was the family so surprised when they entered opened sack?
The family so surprised because when they opened the sack there was big fresh new potatoes. The family so surprised because they had not seen so many potatoes since beginning to the war.
Very good. Why did mother want two children to sit still?
The mother did not want to disturb the soldier, and the mother it also keep them safe.
Very good. Why did the soldiers start shooting when mother served them the soup?
The mother served them soup. They want chips, but the the fair hair soldiers was one spat of soup, and then the all the soup throw on the ground, and then say what are this, and then aim the gun on the mother.
Good. When was done, she built a fire in the grate and hung a big cooking pot over the flame.
Okay.